Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, broadcasting live from San Jose del Cabo, also known as Cabo San Lucas, which is a town down the way. And a fun fact, there is something called a tourist corridor in the middle of these two cities that has nothing but hotels, golf courses, and wonderful beaches. So I highly recommend you visit it, but that's not why we're here. We are here today to talk about Pfizer. But before we talk about Pfizer, you're gonna have to hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it and will help support the channel, and we can all be abundant. So let's go. Woo! Alright, Pfizer, I don't gotta tell you who they are. You might not have known who Pfizer was maybe a year ago, but I bet you all do now, and I'll give you a hint. It is called the vaccine shot that everyone's getting. But I'm not going to talk too much about the vaccine right now. I'm just going to talk about the company and the fundamentals and why I think that it might be a good buying opportunity for Pfizer. I've heard talk about people saying, oh, there's nothing in it for these pharmaceutical companies with the vaccine shot. I'm like, yeah? Well, you don't think the US government is spending lots of money on these vaccines? But besides that, Pfizer is just a huge company. They have a wide variety of products. They've been around forever. And right now the price point is about 40. I see this growing to definitely at least 50 in the next few years. It's got a PE ratio of 20, which still means it has room to grow. I like it when it's like a little under 20. I'm up around 10% on this overall. I kind of got in at like slightly bad time because it dipped right after. I bought it and went down 5%, but then I bought a little bit more because I knew it was going to go back up. So I'm overall up 10%. It's got a pretty good dividend yield of about 4%. Now, the higher it goes, that number might plummet, but I do see growth in this. Especially if these vaccines continue. Like, they're definitely banking on that. So, I don't want to get political or anything, but yes, it will grow if the government keeps buying these vaccines. And people are going to take the vaccines if they want to continue to live a life and travel as much. And maybe in the future, there may be even mandatory vaccines. Who knows what the future holds. Like I said, I don't want to get political, whether it's good or bad, but it is good for the company itself. So I do believe you should be buying Pfizer right now. And once it gets to about 45, maybe slow off a little bit, but for now, I think it's a pretty good price point. I do continue to see growth here. That's pretty much all I gotta say. I don't really want to talk about it too long this week. You know, it is not the greatest deal out there. There are some better deals, but it is one of the best deals in biopharmaceutical stocks. I do think Bristol Meyers might be a slightly better buy at the moment. I have another video on that you can check out. Just do your research. Don't buy anything just because I said, because what do I know? I'm just some knucklehead chilling in Cabo San Lucas surfing and golfing all day. Getting that passive income, baby. And that's what you need to do. So you need to follow my channel so you can learn how to do this. My life is easy peasy right now. Just making that money, watching the growth, just continuing to get it, baby. So that's all I gotta say. Hit the like and subscribe button and we'll see you next week. Woo!